Mom.
This is Olivia when she's tuning up. She's not actually crying yet. She's just grumpy. And she's saying, Mama, come here. I want you to come play with me. She smiles and then she lets out a cry of upsetedness. Like that. Yeah. This is what we call fake crying in our family. For Martin, it's no-no. For Lydia, it's still cute. Olivia! Olivia, Mama's over here. Olivia! Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. Can you smile? Can you smile? I'm tired, Mama. Put me to bed. I'm tired, Mama. Put me to bed. She's looking at Papa right now, making funny faces. Oh. Papa's entertaining her right now. Oh, you're pitiful. Oh, you're pitiful. You're just so pitiful. Let's zoom in on that little face. Let's zoom in on that little face. Hi. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Oh, that's pitiful. Oh. She looks on the side and looks around to say, did you hear me?